Good afternoon, Playmates. Welcome to Playday, the enrichment activity of Autism Society Philippines, where we learn new skills, engage with one another, and have fun. I am Mami Day Barbosa, ASP National Trustee, and one of your hosts for today. So let me now call on my partner host, another National Trustee and Program Manager of Playday, the charming and always young-looking Mami Peng So.
Thank you, Mommy Dame. Masayang Sabado, Playmates. This is Mommy Peng, always at your service po, basta for Playday. Rainy season has officially started. Buti na lang at hindi na kasing init last month. Why is this my concern? Kasi po, we will be dancing today. And when we dance, we sweat. Minsan nga po, nakaupo lang tayo at pinagpapawisan pa din tayo. Anyway, mas presko na pong panahon because of the rains. Kaya dyan lang po kayo at samahan kami ni Mommy Dame for an afternoon of dancing.
Oh, di ba? So dancing is a very good form of exercise. It is a holistic workout that benefits the body physically while also contributing to mental and emotional well-being. Ang saya kayang sumayaw, di ba, Mami Peng?
Aba, totoo yan. Especially when we dance with our friends, di ba? And we are all friends here in Playday, right, Playmates?
Of course, pero mag-share ako ha. Mapili po ako sa mga friends, Mami Peng. May mga qualities akong hinahanap sa isang tao bago ko maging friend.
Tama ka naman eh. We should choose our friends well to help us choose. Okay, para maturuan tayong pumili, ano? Would you like to start, Mommy Dame? Would you like to share the qualities you look for in a friend?
Opo, Mami Peng. Hi, thank you, Mami Peng. Hello, I am Mami Dame. There are three qualities, or the three qualities I look for a friend are honesty, optimism, and someone who is fun to be with. What about you, Mami Peng?
Thank you, Mommy Dame. I want my good friend to be kind, considerate, and compassionate. What are the three qualities you look for in a friend, Kuya Gio?
Thanks, Teacher Peng. My name is Gio. My friend should be patient, inclusive, and okay. How about you, Parin Ken?
Thanks, Paring Gio. My name is Kendrick. The three qualities of good friend are kind, hearted, loving, and compassionate. What qualities do you look for in a friend, Elijah?
Thanks, Ken. My name is Elani Joseph. My friend should be honest, joyful, and respectful. How about you, Hagen?
Hi, and thanks, Hagen. My name is Jed. The three qualities of a good friend are kindness, understanding, and sharing. How about you, Rab?
Thank you, Jed. Hello, Playmates. My name is Rab. So, the three good qualities of a friend is need to be respectful, trustworthy, and honest. So, what about you, Kevin? Yes.
Thank you, Ray. My name is John Kevin Corpus. Qualities of a good friend is honest and speaks from the heart with good intentions. What about you, Oliver?
Thanks, Kevin. My name is Oliver. My friend should be honest, generous, and fun to be with. How about you, Thea?
Thank you, Oliver. My name is Thea. I would like to have a friend who is trustworthy, God-fearing, and someone who can be a good example for me How about you, Yoshi?
Thank you, Taya. My name is Joshua. I want my friend to be considerate, generous, patient, and honest. What about you, my Sigrid?
Thank you, Josh. My
No problem.
name is Rajiv Quid. The three qualities of a good friend are helpful, kind, and caring. What three qualities do you look for, Meander?
Thanks, Secret. My name is Mayander. The three qualities of a good friend are loyalty, honest, and generosity. How about you, Aldrin and Adrian?
Aldrin, Kuya Reid. Hi, is me again, Aldrin, chosen. Yeah. Oh, yes. Oh, go, yeah, continue. Yes, you good, kind, generous, and continue, please. And God fearing is what I love. How about you, Patrick, and Angel?
Thanks. My name is Patrick. Well, so what
Oh.
are reliability, someone who is understanding of my needs, and someone who can be trusted. What you, Angelo?
Thanks, Pat. My name is Angela. The qualities I want in a friend are kindness, understanding, and funny. What about you, Cassandra?
Thank you, Patrick and Angelo. My name is Sandra. For me, a good friend is smart, kind, and helpful. What three qualities do you look for a friend?
Ate Teo, what is it?
Thank
you, Cassandra. My name is Athena. My friend should be kind, trustworthy, and compassionate. How about you, Vince? How about you, Vince?
Thank you, Athena. Hi, I'm Vince. The qualities of a good friend for me is honest, respectful, and God-fearing. What about you, Hendrik?
Thank you, Vince. My name is Hendrik. My quality is best, my friends should be honest, kind, and understanding. What's new, my Dane?
Thank you, Henrik, and thank you, Playmates, for sharing the qualities you like in a friend. We should always look for a positive or what we call good qualities in our friend.
Syempre naman, dapat good qualities talaga. Tulad ng positive qualities ng ating mga guests today. Alam niyo, may guest tayo ngayon. Ano? Their group, isang grupo sila is called New Friends. Tamang-tama naman ang pangalan nila dahil sila ang mga bagong kaibigan natin. They embody the admirable qualities we mentioned a while ago, generosity, compassion, and dedication. O di ba magagandang qualities yun ng isang kaibigan?
True. Gustong-gusto kong maging friend sa mga taong ganyan, Mami Peng. Would you like to know what this group is passionate about? They all love to dance. New Friends have 9 members and 2 of them are working students, while the rest are full-time Zumba teachers and performers.
And they also have a lot of YouTube and TikTok videos. At hindi lang yun hindi lang basta umabot na po ng 4.7 million views yung TikTok videos nila.
Wow,
Akala nyo ba? Yeah, dami no, no? Akala nyo ba ang bini lang ang meron yan? Meron din ang New Friends. Kaya kung feel nyong sumayaw para mag-exercise, hanapin nyo yung mga videos ng New Friends on TikTok and YouTube.
Our playmates might be asking why are they here. The answer is because we invited them to teach us a new dance called the Pantropico dance. Pantropico is a song by Pini, the only female Pinoy pop singing group. Who are they? Who are very popular now?
Buong team ba ng new friends ang magtuturo, Mami Day?
Hindi naman po, Mami Peng. Pero kahit siyam yung members ng grupo, isa lang pong magtuturo sa atin. Let me introduce him now. He is one of the 2 working student members of New Friends, a second-year college student taking up Bachelor of Science in Physical Education at Mabalacat City College in Pampanga. He works as a part-time Zumba instructor in between his classes. So, pumapasok pa kasi siya, diba? He is also a choreographer and often gets invited to perform in Zumba events. With the rest of his group, syempre, kasama sila habang nagsusumba. No? Playmates, let us all welcome our guest for today, Coach Reniel Jude Malit, or we call him Kuya Ob for short. And let's give him a warm Pwede applause.
So hello, Playmates! Good afternoon. So before we dance and before we teach you the dance Pantropico, we will show muna sa inyo, no? Para makita nyo yung isasayaw natin. Okay ba sa inyo yun? Kindly give me your thumbs up para makita natin kung ready na. Okay. So, watch. So, first natin mga ka-Playmates. So, we're going to play our right, and the rest like this, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you get it? Again, 5, 6, 7, go, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And then next 8 counts is like this. And 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Alright? Again, from the top. 5, 6, 7, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. Okay? Okay? Again, 5, 6, 7, go. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh, shucks, sige nga, pag-ibig lang. And 1, and 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. Okay, next step. Itempo tayo. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and cross, cross, up, and up, up. Okay? Another one, 5, 6, 7, and cambot, cambot, cross, cross, up, and up, up. Okay? Hanggang doon muna tayo. Lagyan natin ng music. Okay? Hey. So next step is like this. We're going to 1, 2, and 3, 4, and up, and up, up. Okay? Again, 5, 6, 7, and wave, 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 and up, up. Another one. Wave, 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 and up, up. Okay. Next say okay, let's take it from the top. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7. Chorus. Kembot, kembot, cross, cross, up, everyone. Kembot, kembot, cross, cross, up, and wave. Wave, 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 and up, up, and wave, 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 and up, wave. Hey, step. It's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Another one. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So, gagawin natin siya ng dalawang beses. Then, from the top, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and on chest, 6, 7, side, cha, 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 and hips. Kembot, kembot, cross, 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 tan, 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 and kembot, kembot, san, 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 wave, and wave, 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 and up, 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 wave, 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 and up, up. That's the chorus. Go. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, again. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, and pose, pose. Okay, are you ready to dance? Tropical.
With music na.
With music na po.
Hinahanap ka sa tabi, di na mawala sa isip. Kita kang papalapit, ang sako'y bigla lang di mapakalit. Kapit, kakapit pa hanggang muli. Following your footprints in the sand, to walking with you on the silent. Of your hand, I can feel you holding my world. Kahit tumadama, oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinadama? This boy, and it feels so good. Oh, pero mas sumasaya, magmula nakita ka. Nawala ang nangamba, pag ika'y kapiling na. Feels like summer when I'm with you, parang islang pantropiko. Can't wait to go back with you, sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. Island sitting on the white sand, guess if I'm alone.
Wow, that's nice. So, pwede po bang isa pa?
One more?
One more?
One more time na, basta makasaya.
Arma, oh shucks, ito ay pag-ibig na. Totoo ba ang pinadama? Boy, it feels so good. Oh, pero mas sumasaya, magmula nang nakita ka. Nawala ng pangangamba, pag ika'y kapiling na. Feels like summer when I'm with you, parang islang pantropiko. Can't wait to go back with you, sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. Island city.
Nice! Good job, good job, good job. Nice one. Mami?
Mukhang ginaganahan na. Nag-uumpisa palang ganahan. Okay.
So, pwede pa naman po namin siyang gawin ulit.
Sige po. Sige po hanggang ma-master nila.
Okay.
Mukhang yung iba nga
So-
hindi pa pinagpapawisan eh, no?
So-
Okay.
Okay? Pero mates, gawin natin siya ulit. Kaso may mas mataas na energy na. So kung 100% na energy na yung kanina, gawin natin siya ng 200%. Kaya ba yun? Kaya. Kaya ba yun? Okay? Music po. Let's go, let's go.
To walking with you on this island, guided by the grip of your hand. I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinadama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Oh, pero mas sumasaya magmula nang nakita ka. Nawala ng panangamba pag ika'y kapiling na. Feels like summer when I'm with you. Parang islang pantropiko. Can't wait to go back with you. Sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. Island sitting on the white sand with you.
So, feeling ko mas maganda siya kung makikita natin si Kuya Mark. Kaya niya ba yun? Kaya ba? With Kuya Mark, kayo lang, okay? Music po!
Of your hand, I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinadama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Oh, pero mas sumasaya magmula nang nakita ka. Nawala ng panangamba pag ika'y kapiling na. Feels like summer when I'm with you. Parang islang pantropiko. Can't wait to go back with you. Sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. Island sitting on the white sand. Cause with you,
Thanks po!
you could be my baby.
Rob. Kaya Rob.
Ikaw ay nasilayan sa di inakalang panahon. Lumapit ng biglaan para bang di nakataon. Ito nga ba'y tadhana? Tangi kong iling sa mga tala. Mga pintig ng puso'y nakalaan para sa'yo. Following your footprints in the sand, walking with you on this island. Guided by the grip of your hand, I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinadama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Bawat aroma sumasaya magmula nang nakita ka. Nawawala ng pangangamba pag ika'y kapiling na. Feels like someone I'm with you. Parang islang pantropiko. Can't wait to go back with you. Sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. Sumapit na ang araw nang ika'y muling nakausap. Hinahanap ka sa tabi, di na mawala sa isip. Nakita kang papalapit, puso ko'y bigla nang napakali. Ano nga bang sinapit, kakapit pa hanggang muli. Following your footprints in the sand, to walking with you on this island. Guided by the grip of your hand, I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinadama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Bawat aroma sumasaya magmula nang nakita ka. Nawala ng panangamba pag ika'y kapiling na. Feels like summer when I'm with you. Parang islang pantropiko. Can't wait to go back with you. Sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. Island sitting on the white sand. Guess if I'm in love with you. 'Cause with you, boy, I'm going crazy. You could be my baby. I with you on this island, guided by the grip of your hand. I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinadama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Bawat araw mas masaya, magmumula makita ka. Mawala ng pangangamba, pag ika'y kapiling na. Feels like someone I'm with you, parang islang tropiko. Can't wait to go back with you, sa islang tropiko. Tropiko, tropiko, sa islang tropiko. Tropiko, tropiko, sa islang tropiko. Bawat araw mas masaya.
Galing, galing. One more, playmates. Okay.
Ikaw ay nasilayan sa di inakalang panahon. Lumapit ng biglaan, para bang di nagkataon. Ito nga ba'y tadhana, tangi kong hiling sa mga tala. Mga pintig ng puso'y nakalaan para sa'yo. Following your footprints in the sand, walking with you on this island, guided by the grip of your hand. I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinadama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Bawat araw mas masaya, magmula nang nakita ka. Nawawala ng pangangamba, pag ika'y kapiling na. Feels like someone I'm with you, parang islang tropiko. Can't wait to go back with you, sa islang tropiko. Sa islang tropiko. Sa islang tropiko. Sumapit na ang araw, nang ika'y muling nakausap. Hinahanap ka sa tabi, di na mawala sa isip. Nakita kang papalapit, puso ko'y bigla lang di mapakali. Ano nga bang sinapit, kakapit pa hanggang muli. Following your footprints in the sand, to walking with you on this island, guided by the grip of your hand. I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinadama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Bawat araw mas masaya, magmula nang makita ka. Nawawala ng pangangamba, pag ika'y kapiling na. Feels like summer when I'm with you, parang islang tropiko. Can't wait to go back with you, sa islang tropiko. Sa islang tropiko. Sa islang tropiko. Island sitting on the white sand, guess if I'm in love with you. 'Cause with you, boy, I'm going crazy. You could be my baby, I could be a lady. Oh, oh, oh. Di na mawala ng kilig na bigay riyan, kasi para bang di na mapigil. Makabog, huminto, gumugulo ang puso ko sa'yo. Following your footprints in the sand, walking with you on this island, guided by the grip of your hand. I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinadama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Bawat araw mas masaya, magmumula makita ka. Mawala ng pangangamba, pag ika'y kapiling na. Feels like someone I'm with you, parang islang tropiko. Can't wait to go back with you, sa islang tropiko. Tropiko, tropiko, sa islang tropiko. Tropiko, tropiko, sa islang tropiko.
Nako, napagod yata ang mga playmates. Pero kitang-kita Mami Peng na enjoy sila. And I think ang mga smiles din nila Kuya Ob at Kuya Mike ay hanggang tenga sa toa. Thank you so much, Kuya Ob and Kuya Mike. Yung sayaw ay, pag tinitingnan mo sila, Mami Peng, parang ang dali-dali lang para sa kanila. Pero kung tayo siguro yun, medyo hirap na tayo dahil nakakadalawang round pa lang. Ang cute ng mga dance moves ng Pantropiko. Kayo ba, Playmates, may favorite na mga moves kanina at mga sways kanina natin? So while watching, I saw that dancing is really a form of expressive movement where dancers use rhythmic motions and gestures to convey emotions. Parang you tell a story or celebrate happy moments. Ang daming hands and hip movements, di ba, Mami Peng?
Yes, so pero maganda yung maraming movements para marami din tayong ma-burn na mga calories. Alam niyo ba, aside from dancing being a physical exercise, sabi nga kanina ni Mami Dime, it also serves as a means of social interaction and artistic expression. So ang mga dancers po ay artists because dancing is a form of art.
Kanina, sinabi natin na ang new friends ay generous at compassionate. Totoo po yan. Kasi lumapit sila sa Autism Society Philippines dahil gusto nilang tulungan ng 2 chapters natin from Pampanga. This July, they have a Zumba event where 2 ASP chapters in Pampanga will be the beneficiary.
Nako, thank you very much, new friends. Sana po maraming katulad nyo na lumapit sa ASP para tulungan kami o ang mga chapters natin. So, thank you Kuya Mike, thank you Kuya Ob, thank you for, at saka, nandito po ba si Miss Pia? Wala po siya? Okay.
Nandito po ako.
Ay, okay. And thank you po kay Ma'am Pia. Dahil po sa kanya ay nakilala ng new friends ang Autism Society Philippines. So, isa rin po siya dun sa naging instrumento para lumapit ang new friends sa ASP. Okay? So maraming salamat po for joining us today. So announcement time, Mami Dane.
So we'd like to announce para sa Playmates natin. So our next payday will be on July 13. Wala po tayong payday next week. So we will see each other again sa July 13. We will paint the Northern Lights or what we call the Aurora Borealis. So wait for the list of materials we will be sending you para mabili nyo na.
So instead of photos po, which we always ask everyone to send after an activity, we want everyone to send us a 1 to 2 minute video of you dancing the steps you learned from Kuya Ob and Kuya Mike today. We will send you the reference video po na pinadala na po sa atin ni Kuya Ob.
Yan. So portrait po ang orientation ng video natin at siguraduhin lamang na maliwanag po yung area kung saan magsushoot ng video. So send us by Tuesday 12 noon.
Mami Dame, group photo na tayo. Join naman kayo. Ma'am Pia, Kuya Ob, Kuya Mike, join po tayo sa group photo. Ano ba ang post natin, Kuya Ob? Meron ba tayong post na gagayahin ng ating mga Playmates?
Yung
Pantropiko post.
Oh, yeah.
Ano ba ang Pantropiko post natin? Ayan, si Ma'am Pia.
Wow,
yes.
So, mas maganda po siguro kung gawin natin yung new friends post kasi bagong friends na kakilala nila.
Sige, yung ating mga bagong kaibigan. Ayan, mga Playmates, tingnan nyo yung new friends post natin. Yeah. Tingnan nyo po yung new friends post natin.
Friends post.
Yung kamay. Okay. So, with the C.
Dalawang daliri. Okay, ganyan.
Rob, medyo baba ka ng konti.
Okay, paano po ba yan?
Di pa enough po. Baka yung ulo ko naman po.
Hindi, yung puro half lang kasi nakikita sa'yo.
Okay.
Sana si Faye. Galing naman ng Faye.
Okay, so lahat po tayo. Yan, good. Good, Rob. What about you, Josh? Let's see your new friends.
Yes, go. Do it. To right hand.
Si Atina, good. Si Cassandra, asa ng new friends post mo, Cassandra? Ayan, nakatapis ata. Si
my mom.
May answer. Yan.
Ready na po
Thank
ba?
you,
Pag
Rad.
ready
Ready
na,
na ba?
ha? Ready
Wow,
na? Sino
ganda.
ano, si Kuya Lloyd?
Ang tropiko. Sige.
So, that's our
Wow.
new friends. Yan po yung new friends.
Elijah, medyo madilim ka, Elijah. Hindi ko masyadong makita. Yan, tas lapit ng konti. All good na. Mukhang okay na tayo. And of course, tayo din, Mami Peng, di ba?
Oo, tayo din. Pero count na po. Magte-take ng photo para alam natin. Just keep smiling.
Okay.
Kuya
Okay.
Lloyd,
1, 2,
Okay.
3,
One.
smile.
isa pa.
Isa pa.
Wait lang po.
Pose.
Ah,
Ang
si
tropiko.
Ate Tina pala.
Ikaw, pose.
Okay. One more po.
One more.
Okay,
Yes,
one
this one naman.
more. Smile po.
Smile. Yan, good.
Okay.
Okay. Ay, wala pa.
Okay, done na po. Done na.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Ayan, so nakakatuwa. So maraming salamat to our new friends and to Kuya Ob and Kuya Mike and Mami
Hatsuy.
as a popular Pantropico dance step. Thank you to Mami Peng, Ate Abby, Ate Tina, and Kuya Lloyd for working together for a smooth Zoom activity. And lastly, we would like to thank all our playmates and our loving families, your loving families, for always supporting our ASP program, Pwede. Kung wala po kayo, wala din po ang Pwede kasi ang Pwede ay ginawa para sa inyo.
Ako po si Mami Peng.
At ako naman po si Mami Dame saying bye for now and thank you for helping build an
Okay,
Philippines.
Philippines.